Yeah, the processors used inside Mac computers. Mac is nothing but short form for Macintosh. Macintosh are the computers designed by Apple companies. Okay, Apple company, that we call it as Mac computers. These computers uses a different kind of processors called PC chips, power PC chips, and it is designed by Motorola company. The same phone company designs these processors also. Okay, that looks like this. This is power PC chip. Okay, so till here we have seen processors and what are the units inside CPU and who all are the manufacturers of CPU. Even in processors we have types. Okay, multi-core processors. See, this part of the chip is called as core. Okay, core means the inside part, the most important part. So some chips, some processors comes with multi cores. Multi cores means more than one core. It does the work of two processors. Maybe the speed will be higher, as we have to, if you have seen the functions of CPU, right? It takes the things and it converts into the binary digits and it performs some mathematical calculations. These are the work of single CPU. But how it works if you have two CPUs inside a computer, right? It will computer will be very fast, right? So even we are these kinds of multi-core processors are available. This core, if it is single core, if you have this as two on a chip, that we call it as multi-core, more than one, and it is also called as dual core. The speed will be very high. Okay, it works as we have two CPUs. It works as we have two processors inside the CPU. A dual core processor is a chip that contains two separate processor cores like this. And again we have one more type called quad core. Quad core processor chip will have four separate processor chips. As you can see here too, it will be having four chips. Okay, that means it will be very high speed computer. Okay, quad core computer is very high speed one because it does the work of four CPUs together at a time. So these are multi-core processors. Okay, having dual core, having multi-core, this part. Okay, so this is what all about processors. So we have learned the work of processor, the brain of the computer, that has three units: ALU, CU, arithmetic logical unit, control unit, and memory unit. Arithmetic logical unit performs all the mathematical functions like comparison, logical, addition, subtraction, etc. Control unit controls the entire function of the computer, and the memory unit holds the data whichever needs to be processed and also after processing. And these are the manufacturers of CPU: Intel, AMD, and Macintosh, Motorola, PowerPC chips, and about multi-core processors. So by this we have learned all these processes that goes on in the computer. We have learned which are the input devices we can give and how to process inside the processor and how it sends to the outputting device, which are the output devices, and also where we can store. Okay, so today we have uh, learned storage devices, hard disk, optical disk. Under optical disk we had seen compact discs, recordable CD, rewritable CD, and Blu-ray, and flash drives, nothing but pen drives. And we have also seen memory cards, different types of memory cards and where we use it. Next we have went through processing devices, all these things. So by this our chapter ends. Okay, uh, the first unit completed by this. So in the next class, in the next week, I'm going to give you a test. So what you have to do is, you have to try to answer all these things from the exercise, starting from here. Okay, starting from here, you have to find out the answers for all these fill in the blanks, is true or false, and these fill in the blanks, and how many mains you have, everything you need to find out. Okay, find out the answers of all these things. If you have a book, then it is okay, you just write it down and learn. So next week I'm going to give you a online test. Okay, it will be an online test. You will be attending online. Okay, so by this the first unit completed. Go through the chapter, go through the textbook, read it again and again, go through the PPT also. PPT also I'm giving you when I'm posting this video. Please go through it. Okay, thank you, and be ready for the test for the next Wednesday.